Hello everyone, welcome to my Study Tech YouTube channel. Today I am going to demonstrate how to use Bedtool to convert a BAM file into Bed file, and after that we will learn how to make the genome coverage with the help of the Bedtool. So for that we have to go Google and Bedtool. So here is the link. Go to this site and go to the Github page. You can go from here also and just download the source code. Okay, the download is complete. Let's open. So here is the Bedtool zip. We already have the BAM file here. I already made this BAM file with the HiSet2 tool, and here is the East genome fasta file. So let's extract the Bedtool. Extraction done. And to install the Bedtool, go to the Bedtool and open the terminal here. So let's check it. To install it, you have to write the command make and enter. Okay, the installation is done. So let's check it, clear it and check it. So go to the bin and let's check it. So here you can see all executable tools. So BAM to bed is here. To check it, BAM to bed and H. So here is the command. You can see Bedtool, BAM to bed, then I for input, and then the BAM file. So we have the BAM file here. Let's cut it and place it into the bin folder. Okay, let's check it. So here is the BAM file. To convert this BAM file into the bed file, so the script is, let's clear it. So /bed tool, then BAM to bed I, then the BAM file. After that, then convert it into this bed file, and it is the script, and then enter. Okay, the conversion is done. Let's check it. So here you can see the bed file is generated. Let's check it. Here it is the bed file. It is loading. It is the chromosome number, this start, this is end, this is a name, this is the score, and the stand plus or minus. Okay, so now we have to convert this weight file into the genome coverage. For genome coverage, we need to the genome index. So here is the genome fasta file. We have to convert this file into the index, genome index. So I am going to copy this and we have to paste into the samtool directory. Yes, paste it again and open the terminal. Let's check it, the file. So here our east genome fasta file, and this is the sam directory. So with the help of the sam tool, I'm going to convert into the genome index. So for that, /samtool fai then dx. After that, you have to paste the fasta file and enter. So conversion is done. Let's check it. So here is the east fai index file. Okay, let's copy this file and I'm going to paste in the bed tool in the bin here. Okay, let's go to the bin, bed tool bin. Let's check it. So now we have the bed file and the FAI file. So now we can generate the genome coverage. So for that, the script is /Bedtools genome coverage. Then we use bg for bed graph configuration, and after that I for the input. So here input will be the bed file, and then we have to load the genome. So here is the genome. This is Saccharomyces cerevisiae FAI file, and after that we have to write a command to store all the output file into a text file. So for that I am going to use to greater than and one break, after that TEE, and here I am going to adding the file name genome coverage .txt. So it is the total script to making the genome coverage with the help of this bed file. Let's enter. Okay, it is done. Let's clean it and check it again. So now here you can see the genome coverage file txt. Let's see it from here. So here is the file genome coverage txt. So it is the simple format of genome coverage. Here is the chromosome ID, start, end, and the coverage score. So it is the whole tutorial of the BET tool for making the genome coverage from the BAM file. If you like this video, please hit the like and comment if you want to know anything about this topic, and please subscribe my channel. I am making this type of video in my channel. So thank you for watching.